Right now, many people living in the UAE are asking one serious question. If a war starts in the Middle East, what will happen to our bank loans? Will the banks cancel the loans? Will people still need to pay EMIs? And what happens if someone leaves the UAE during a crisis? In this video, I will explain the real situation and what UAE residents should know. Current Middle East situation. Due to rising tension between United States, Israel and Iran, security concerns in the Gulf region have increased.
Some international banks like Citigroup and Standard Chartered
Temporarily asked employees to work remotely as a precaution. However, it is important to understand that the banking system in the UAE is still stable and operating normally. Do loans get cancelled during war? Many residents believe that if war happens, banks will cancel all loans. But in reality, loans are legal financial contracts. Whether it is a personal loan, credit card debt, or car loan, the borrower is still responsible for repayment. Even during crises, banks usually do not cancel loans automatically. What banks usually do during crisis, instead of canceling loans, banks may provide temporary relief. For example, during COVID-19 pandemic, banks in the UAE allowed customers to delay their loan payments. This is called a loan moratorium. Possible relief options include payment deferral, loan restructuring, reduced installments, or temporary grace periods, but the loan itself does not disappear. What if someone leaves the UAE? This is where things become serious. If someone leaves the UAE without clearing their loans, the bank can report the case to the Al Etihad Credit Bureau. This will damage the person's credit score and create problems in the future. Even if the person returns years later, the outstanding loan may still exist. What happens if banks close temporarily? Sometimes during security situations, bank branches may close temporarily. But this does not stop the banking system. Online banking, mobile apps, and automatic EMI payments usually continue. So customers should not assume that their loan obligations stop. Advice for UAE residents: if you currently have a loan in the UAE, here are some important tips. Always maintain emergency savings or avoid taking unnecessary loans during uncertain times. Keep track of your loan balance. Stay informed about official bank announcements. Financial planning becomes even more important during geopolitical tensions. If you want more practical information about banking, loans, and credit scores in the UAE, subscribe to UAE Money Master. I explain real financial situations that every UAE resident should understand.